Hello everyone, welcome back to Nurse Quiz Corner. In today's video we will practice TEAS 7 Biology multiple choice questions. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. What is the basic unit of life? Tissue. B. Organ. C. Cell. D. Molecule. Answer is C. Cell. Rationale. Cells are the smallest units of life, forming the building blocks of all living organisms. 2. Which part of the cell is responsible for producing energy? Nucleus. B. Mitochondria. C. Ribosomes. D. Lysosomes. Answer is B. Mitochondria. Rationale. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell, where cellular respiration occurs to produce energy in the form of ATP. 3. Which of the following is a characteristic of prokaryotic cells? Nucleus. B. Membrane-bound organelles. C. No nucleus. D. Multicellular. Answer is C. No nucleus. Rationale. Prokaryotic cells do not have a nucleus, while eukaryotic cells do. 4. What process allows water to move across a semi-permeable membrane? Osmosis. B. Diffusion. C. Active transport. D. Filtration. Answer is osmosis. Rationale. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules across a semi-permeable membrane from a region of low solute concentration to high solute concentration. 5. Which of the following is not a function of proteins? Enzymatic activity. B. Transport. C. Structural support. D. Genetic information storage. Answer. D. Genetic information storage. Rationale. Genetic information is stored in DNA, not proteins. 6. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Mitochondria. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. The answer is C. Mitochondria. Rationale. Mitochondria produce ATP, the energy currency of the cell. 7. Which of the following molecules is responsible for carrying genetic information? Protein. B. Lipids. C. DNA. D. Carbohydrates. The answer is C. DNA. Rationale. DNA carries genetic information in the form of genes. 8. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Mitochondria. B. Ribosome. C. Lysosome. D. Golgi apparatus. Answer B. Ribosome. Rationale. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis, translating mRNA into amino acid chains. 9. The process by which a cell divides into two identical daughter cells is called meiosis. B. Mitosis. C. Binary fission. D. Cytokinesis. Answer B. Mitosis. Rationale. Mitosis is the process where a cell divides to produce two genetically identical daughter cells. 10. Which type of RNA is responsible for carrying amino acids to the ribosome? mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, sRNA. Answer B. tRNA. Rationale. Transfer RNA, tRNA, carries amino acids to the ribosome for protein synthesis. 11. Which of the following is the site of photosynthesis in plant cells? Chloroplast. B. Mitochondria. C. Ribosome. Nucleus. Answer chloroplast. Rationale. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll and are responsible for photosynthesis in plant cells. 12. What is the primary function of the plasma membrane? A. Protein synthesis. B. Energy production. C. Regulating the entry and exit of substances. D. Storing genetic information. Answer C. Regulating the entry and exit of substances. Rationale. The plasma membrane controls what enters and exits the cell, maintaining homeostasis. 13. Which phase of the cell cycle involves DNA replication? G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. DIM phase. Answer S phase. Rationale. The S phase is when DNA replication occurs, preparing the cell for division. 14. Which term describes the movement of molecules from an area of high concentration to low concentration? A. Active transport. B. Osmosis. C. Diffusion. D. Endocytosis. The answer is C. Diffusion. Rationale. Diffusion is the passive movement of molecules from an area of high concentration to low concentration. 15. Which of the following is an example of a carbohydrate? A. Glucose. B. DNA. C. Lipids. D. Proteins. The answer is A. Glucose. Rationale. Glucose is a simple sugar and a carbohydrate. 16. Which of the following is a product of cellular respiration? Oxygen. B. Glucose. ADP. D. Sunlight. The answer is C. ADP. Rationale. Cellular respiration produces ATP, the energy currency of the cell. 17. What structure in plant cells provides structural support? A. Cell membrane. B. Cell wall. C. Chloroplast. D. Vacuole. The answer is B. Cell wall. Rationale. The cell wall provides rigidity and structural support to plant cells. 18. Which of the following is a characteristic of enzymes? A. They are carbohydrates. B. They increase activation energy. C. They act as catalysts. D. They get used up in reactions. Answer is C. They act as catalysts. Rationale. Enzymes act as biological catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions without being consumed. 19. Which molecule is the primary component of the plasma membrane? A. Carbohydrates. B. Phospholipids. C. Nucleic acids. D. Proteins. Answer is B. Phospholipids. Rationale. The plasma membrane is primarily composed of a phospholipid bilayer. 20. What is the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy? A. Cellular respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Fermentation. D. Glycolysis. Answer is B. Photosynthesis. Rationale. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight to produce glucose and oxygen. 21. In which organelle does cellular respiration occur? Ribosome. B. Mitochondria. Nucleus. D. Chloroplast. Answer is B. Mitochondria. Rationale. Mitochondria are responsible for cellular respiration, converting glucose into ATP. 22. Which of the following is a monosaccharide? Sucrose. B. Glucose. C. Lactose. D. Starch. Answer is B. Glucose. Rationale. Glucose is a monosaccharide, the simplest form of sugar. 23. What is the name of the bonds that connect amino acids in a protein? A. Glycosidic bonds. B. Peptide bonds. C. Hydrogen bonds. D. Ionic bonds. The answer is B. Peptide bonds. Rationale. Peptide bonds link amino acids together in proteins. 24. What organelle modifies and packages proteins for export from the cell? Ribosome. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Lysosome. The answer is C. Golgi apparatus. Rationale. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins for secretion or delivery to other parts of the cell. 25. What is the main function of DNA? A. Store energy. B. Transmit electrical impulses. C. Store genetic information. D. Provide structural support. The answer is C. Store genetic information. Rationale. DNA holds the genetic information that guides the development and functioning of all living organisms. 26. Which organelle is responsible for breaking down and recycling cellular waste? Mitochondria. B. Golgi apparatus. C. C. Lysosome. D. Ribosome. The answer is C. Lysosome. Rationale: lysosomes contain enzymes that break down cellular waste and debris. 27. Which structure is involved in cell movement? Nucleus. B. Cilia. C. Ribosomes. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer is B. Cilia. Rationale: cilia are hair-like structures that aid in cell movement. 28. Which phase of mitosis involves the chromosomes lining up at the center of the cell? Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. telophase. The answer is B. Metaphase. Rationale: in metaphase, chromosomes align at the metaphase plate in the center of the cell. 29. Which process results in the formation of gametes? A. Mitosis. B. Meiosis. C. Fertilization. D. Binary fission. The answer is B. Meiosis. Rationale: meiosis is the cell division process that produces gametes with half the number of chromosomes. 30. What is the function of hemoglobin in red blood cells? To transport oxygen. B. To digest nutrients. C. To fight infections. D. To store energy. The answer is A. To transport oxygen. Rationale: hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to tissues. How many did you score? Let me know in the comments section. See you in the next video.